Can you imagine a world where gravity doesn't pull you down, ice burns hotter than the sun, and planets are made of diamonds? Well, space is filled with such bizarre and mysterious planets that they defy our wildest imaginations and challenge the laws of physics. Starting with the case of Tres 2b, a planet so dark and mysterious that it might as well be the universe's personal blackout curtain. Located 750 light-years away, Tres 2b holds the eerie title of the darkest planet known to science. In fact, this world reflects less than 1% of the light that touches it, making it darker than any exoplanet discovered so far. Its surface, shrouded in light-absorbing gases, is a puzzle even to the brightest minds, but why does it swallow nearly all light? No one knows for sure. But here's where it gets really creepy. Tres 2b doesn't just hide in the shadows, it also glows like a smouldering coal, radiating a molten red hue, with a blistering surface temperature of 1100 degrees Celsius. It's as if this planet is constantly burning, a hellish orb glowing ominously in the vastness of space. This is one planet that seems straight out of a sci-fi nightmare. Then there's this planet that seems to laugh in the face of chemistry. Yes, we're talking about a giant ball of ice that's on fire. Sounds like something out of science fiction, right? But Gliese 436b is the real deal. Think about the icy planet Hoth from Star Wars, but instead of freezing cold, it's burning at a scorching 439 degrees Celsius. But how's that even possible? Well, the planet's gravity is so ridiculously strong that it pulls the melted ice water towards its core. This intense compression keeps the ice solid, no matter how much it burns. It's like the universe decided to play a prank on physics, keep the ice frozen even in the midst of a cosmic inferno. But at least it's not as bad as being stuck on Wasp 12b, the planet that's literally being devoured by its own star. Imagine a world so close to its sun that it's being cooked alive, with temperatures so extreme that they make lava seem like a cool dip in the pool. This unfortunate planet, about the size of Jupiter, is caught in a deadly crossfire, hurtling around its star at breakneck speed while its mass is slowly being sucked away. Wasp 12b is so overheated that it's puffed up like a balloon, stretched out of shape in an egg-like form, and here's what it's losing: a staggering 6 billion metric tons of mass every single second. This planet's being torn apart so rapidly that it's no longer even round. Now, remember Luke Skywalker's home planet, Tatooine, with its famous 2 suns? Turns out reality can one-up even the wildest sci-fi. Imagine a planet 149 light-years away that boasts not 1, not 2, but 3 stars. That's right, this cosmic oddity known as HD 188753AB hangs out in a triple-star system. Living on this planet would be like stepping into a sci-fi movie on steroids. Think triple shadows and non-stop eclipses as its 3 suns play cosmic tag in the sky. And those sunsets, they'd put even the most Instagrammable Earth scenes to shame, with a light show that's simply out of this world. If anyone claims fiction outshines reality, they clearly haven't seen HD 188753AB. But ever wondered if there's a planet that literally shines like a diamond in the sky? Well, there is. Meet 55 Cancri E, a planet that doesn't just sparkle, it actually is a massive diamond floating in space. Imagine that, a world twice the size of Earth with a third of it made entirely of solid diamonds. Sounds like the ultimate treasure hunt, right? But here's the thing, this glittering gem's located a staggering 40 light-years away from Earth. Even if it were possible to journey across that distance and haul back a chunk of this cosmic bling, the sheer number of diamonds would flood the market and turn these precious stones into worthless rocks. So, while the idea of a diamond planet might sound like a dream come true, it's one of those treasures best left in the cosmos, best admired from a safe and distant point of view. Next, let's talk about a planet that's truly out of this world, Wasp 17b, found in the Scorpius constellation. Now, what makes this giant planet so fascinating isn't just its massive size, though it's definitely jaw-dropping at 1.9 times the size of Jupiter, the heavyweight champ of our solar system. But here's the thing, it's so enormous that by all scientific accounts it shouldn't even exist. That's right, this planet's so big that it practically breaks the rules of how large a planet can get. Imagine trying to fit a watermelon into a shopping bag. Yeah, that's Wasp 17b in a cosmic sense. But the surprises don't stop there. Despite its colossal size, Wasp 17b's astonishingly light, earning it a spot in the rare and amusingly named category of puffy planets. And no, that's not a joke. That's the official term. These are planets with ridiculously large radii and shockingly low densities. And if that wasn't enough to make it an oddball, Wasp 17b also orbits its star in reverse. That's right, this planet spins backwards compared to its star, making it a celestial rebel. It's no wonder this planet's considered one of the most bizarre discoveries in astronomy. Now, ever find yourself grumbling about a rainy day? Well, think again and be grateful that Earth doesn't have the weather of HD 189773b. On this planet, it's not just raining, it's raining glass. Yep, you heard that right. The wind howls at a staggering 4,000 miles per hour, hurling tiny shards of glass sideways across the sky. This isn't just any storm, it's a nightmare. The planet's stunning blue color might catch your eye, but don't be fooled. Those vibrant skies are filled with silicon particles that, under intense heat, turn into solid glass. Picture walking outside and getting pelted by glass in a hurricane. Suddenly, Earth's thunderstorms don't seem so bad, do they? HD 189773b takes extreme weather to a whole new terrifying level. Ever wondered what it's like to be lost in the vast Pacific, with nothing but endless water around? Now imagine a planet where that's the reality. Everywhere you turn, a world completely covered by a vast, unending ocean. That's exactly what GJ1214b, a planet located 47 light years away, offers a true water world like no other. Nicknamed by scientists for its oceanic nature, GJ1214b is one massive continuous body of water. No land, no islands, just a never-ending sea that stretches across the entire planet. And if you thought things got less strange below the surface, think again. Dive deep enough and eventually you'd hit the planet's core. But instead of finding rock or metal, you'd find ice. Not your ordinary ice though, this is Ice 7. This isn't the kind of ice that you toss into a drink, it's ice that's been crushed into a solid form by the incredible pressure of the planet's ocean. It's hard to believe, but here ice has to fight to stay solid under such extreme conditions. So if anyone ever complained about a cold drink being too watered down, imagine living on a planet where water itself is a force to be reckoned with. Now imagine a planet so extreme that one step could either melt you alive or freeze you solid. This is Gliese 581c, one of the most fascinating and terrifying exoplanets ever discovered. Scientists consider it one of the top contenders for supporting alien life, but it's nothing like Earth. Orbiting a red dwarf star, the sky on Gliese 581c would glow a deep, eerie crimson, a sight both beautiful and unsettling. But here's where things get really wild. The planet's tidally locked. That means one side's always facing the star, roasting in unbelievable heat, while the other side remains in perpetual darkness, frozen solid. It's like living in an oven on one side and a deep freezer on the other. Not exactly an ideal vacation spot, is it? But there's a catch. Between these two extremes lies a narrow strip of land, the Goldilocks zone, where temperatures are just right for life. It's like walking a tightrope, one wrong step and it's game over. And get this, in 2008 Earth sent a message directly to Gliese 581c and it's expected to arrive in 2029. Who knows what or who might be listening on the other side. Last but not least, how about we talk about a planet that's basically Earth's twin? Meet Kepler 438b, a cosmic lookalike discovered by the Kepler Space Observatory located a whopping 470 light years away. What makes this planet so intriguing isn't its wild features, but how remarkably Earth-like it is, scoring a stellar 0.88 on the Earth Similarity Index. It's almost like the universe's version of a doppelganger. Discovered in January 2015, Kepler 438b ticks all the right boxes for alien life. It's a rocky world comfortably nestled in the Goldilocks zone where conditions are just right, not too hot, not too cold, for liquid water. And where there's liquid water, there's a good chance for life, so Kepler 438b isn't just interesting, it's a cosmic gem in the search for extraterrestrial neighbours. Now, do you think we might find life on planets like Kepler 438b, or are there even crazier worlds out there waiting to be discovered? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more.